Backpack. Laptop backpacks are essential tools for professionals, students, and travelers alike, offering a combination of functionality, durability, and style. Waterproof laptop backpacks are particularly valuable as they protect your electronics and belongings from unexpected weather conditions while ensuring comfort and organization. In this review, list number laptop backpack. The Volher laptop backpack is a mid-range option priced at $29.99, offering a solid balance between affordability and functionality. It features a dedicated laptop compartment that fits devices up to 15.6 inches, along with spacious packing compartments and mesh side pockets for easy organization. The backpack's anti-theft pocket and luggage strap enhance its suitability for travel, and the USB charging port provides convenient on-the-go charging. Made from durable, water-resistant polyester fabric, it is designed for long-lasting use and daily wear. In testing, the Volher backpack excelled in comfort, thanks to its ventilated padding and adjustable straps. It is lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for commuting or short trips. However, its capacity of 25 liters may be limiting for users needing to carry bulkier items. The anti-theft features performed well, but the USB charging port requires an external power bank, which is not included. Overall, list number Nubili Laptop Backpack 1. The Nubili Laptop Backpack, priced at $31.86, is an excellent value for users who need a larger capacity. With a spacious 45-liter storage volume, it accommodates laptops up to 17.3 inches and includes over 15 organizational pockets for accessories, clothes, and gadgets. Its TSA-friendly lay-flat design is perfect for hassle-free airport security checks. Made from high-quality, waterproof polyester fabric and reinforced stitching, it offers durability and protection against the elements. During testing, the Nubili backpack impressed with its versatility and large capacity, making it ideal for extended travel or users with larger laptops. The breathable mesh back panel and padded straps ensured comfort even when fully loaded. However, its bulkier design may not appeal to users seeking a slim profile. Additionally, while the USB charging port is convenient, list number Bang Business Smart Backpack. Waterproof fit. The Bang Business Smart Backpack is the premium choice at $69.99, designed for professionals and frequent travelers. Its high-density coated Oxford fabric is both waterproof and scratch-resistant, ensuring durability in harsh conditions. The backpack features a 180-degree opening design for easy access to its compartments, which include a laptop pocket, multiple organizational pockets, and 2 front pockets for smaller items. It also includes YKK zippers, a card pocket, and a glasses holder for added convenience. During testing, the Bang backpack demonstrated exceptional build quality and thoughtful design. The waterproof material effectively repelled water, and the organizational pockets were well suited for business users. The 3-liter capacity is sufficient for daily essentials, but may not accommodate bulkier items. List number Duslang 17-inch laptop backpack. The Duslang backpack is the budget-friendly option at $21.99, offering surprising value for its price. It includes a separate laptop compartment for devices up to 17 inches, a roomy main compartment, and multiple smaller pockets for accessories. The USB charging port and anti-theft pocket add useful functionality, while its lightweight design and breathable padding enhance comfort. Made from water-resistant polyester fabric, it is suitable for light daily use. In testing, the Duslang backpack performed well for basic needs, such as commuting or college use. Its lightweight design and 28-liter capacity make it practical for carrying essentials, though it may not hold up as well under heavy use compared to higher-priced models. List number 5. Business Backpack for Men's 17-inch. The HK backpack, priced at $39.99, offers a unique, slim, and expandable design with the ability to increase capacity from 15 liters to 27 liters. It fits laptops up to 17 inches and includes multiple organizational pockets. The waterproof Oxford material and YKK zippers provide durability, while the USB charging port and hidden anti-theft pocket enhance convenience and security. Its lightweight construction makes it suitable for daily commutes and professional use. Testing revealed the HK backpack to be a versatile option for users who need flexibility and capacity. The expandable feature is especially useful for transitioning between daily use and travel. Its slim profile is stylish, though the 27-liter maximum capacity may still be limiting for extended trips.